Hi friends, we will learn about how to see the ultrasound guided IVC to give the IV fluid or to give the Lasix. For this monitoring we will do the ultrasound guided. So we थोड़ा सा explain कर देंगे इसमें कैसे क्या place करना. Below the sternum we need to place the ultrasound probe.
अगर आप डिपार्टमेंट से बनाते तो ज़्यादा बेटर बनता. वैसे आईवीसी तो ये है.
नहीं, हम उसको हॉरिजॉन्टली लेते हैं ना डायमीटर के लिए, वो ऐसा वाला.
अच्छा.
So as you can see, this is the inferior vena cava opening into the right atrium. As you can see, this is collapsing, contracting and relaxing the right atrium. This is the right atrium part and this is the inferior vena cava. And here we will see how this is placed below the sternum. This probe is placed like this towards the IVC from the this is the, suppose this is the right atrium and this way is towards the inferior vena cava. So here, is it collapsible? We have recently given the hai collapsible hai. So this is collapsible means it needs the we can give the patient IV fluid. इसको दूसरे एक्सेस में दिखाएंगे आपको जो हॉरिजॉन्टल होता है और वो मेजर करके. And when the radiologist measure it, it is shown, this is the width of the inferior vena cava. कितना आ रहा है?
1.2.
This is the 1.2, means we can the normal diameter is 1.8 something, and if it is less than 1.8 then we can give the fluid, means this is collapsible. And if it is more than 1.8 or 1.83 then we give the Lasix, means the IVC is fluid, IVC is full and patient urine output is less, then we give the Lasix or diuretic. In this case, if patient urine output is, in this case we are doing because the patient urine output is low and the IVC is collapsible, we will give fluid. If patient is fluid depleted, then we can monitor the urine output after giving the fluid, and again we can check the IVC diameter. So after giving fluid, it should increase from 1.21 centimeter to 1.5 or 1.6 or 1.8, like this. As you can see, this is the नीचे वाली ना, this is the inferior vena cava and it is collapsible. As you can see, this is collapsing and dilating. Collapsing and dilating means it is fluid deficit, so we can give fluid. So I hope this will help you. Mainly we need this in ICU setting when we need to give the fluid if the urine output is low, as I show you in the chart. So you can see this is the urine output of a patient who is a 68-year non-COVID patient who is on ventilator, and his urine output initially was okay, then last 3 to 4 hours his urine output decreased to V is 20, 25, 25. So we check the inferior vena cava diameter and its collapsibility. It is collapsible, so we can give the fluid, and if it becomes full like more than 1.8 or non-collapsible, then we give the any diuretic so that the patient can pass urine. Hope that helps you. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe.